Ice cream for Libby. We just stopped at Dairy Queen and we got this cute little baby cone or children's size cone, and they put sprinkles on it for her. It looks so good. Sprinkles. They look so yummy. Hey, thank you, DQ. I had to wear a mask when I went inside.
Ice cream, please?
Do you want one ice cream, Daisy? Daisy cakes?
Yeah, Daisies. Daisy can hold it.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Good. Libby's excited because we're in a car wash.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Yeah. I'm so excited too. Excited too, Kira?
I'm so excited too.
Did you just get off work?
No.
How was it?
Good.
Kira got $9 in tips at Dairy Queen. DQ. That's good. That's a good tip. Fuel speed. And I like the blue flappy things. Right there. It looks cool. We're moving. Look at those, Libby. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Me too.
What's inside?
Woo!
Wow.
There goes the soap. I like how on 4th of July they have red and blue soap. It's my favorite part. Is that fun? Does Donald Duck like it? Do you like it, Donald Duck? Car wash, car wash. Mama's getting a clean car, huh?
This is your favorite part.
Yeah.
You lied to me.
Aw. Those in your ears. The dryers are really loud, huh? It's almost done.